Bulerías is the holy grail for many flamenco dancers because they're fun and they're funky and they're all improvised and just really fun to do. But you know, there's a structure to it and there's a format, and of course you need to have a few moves in your repertoire. The one thing that you will always need is a llamada. Now, generally in flamenco, llamada means a call, a movement to call or transition. However, in bulerías, a llamada always looks like this. Well, always sort of. Bum, bum, ba, dum, bum, ba, taka, 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 ta. Or some variation of it. Or so there's always going to be variations of it, but the general idea is that sound of 1, 2, 3. Now, when you do that llamada, it's in a letra, after a letra, for the coletilla during the exit. So it's not used as a llamada to call for anything happening. It's used as an accent. Now that first, so when we say a llamada, it generally means that first compás of pam pam pa ram pam pa taka 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 ta, followed by one more compás of a little patada, a little extra move. So, you know, of course there's 1,000 variations, but this one you can use and have it in your repertoire, nice and easy, but still fun and funky. So let's begin. So we know that the bulerías, 12 count, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the llamada starts on 1. 1, 2, 3. So let's try that. We're going to go right, right, right. So 1, 2, 3, step out together. Again. Golpe, 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 step out together. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to go back. Taca, 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 taca. So that's planta tacón, planta tacón, planta tacón, golpe. All right. So again, we have and 1, 2, 3, left, out, together, taca, 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 ta. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, and 1, 2, 3, left, out, together, taca, 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 ta. Now with the arms, you're going to bring your arms, close them. And 1, 2, 3, down, and then close them again. Together. Again, and bum, bum, ba, dum, bum, ba. Taca, 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 ta. 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that first compás, the llamada. The next compás, our little patada, our little patadita, patada, our little something. All right, and what we'll do here, so we finished on 10, we're going to finish it off with and 12, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so again, you're going to go right, left, and you're moving that hip over to the right and bringing the arms to the right, and then left, right, again, and then right, left. Okay, so we had, and from the top, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Taca, 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 ta. And 12. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, one more time. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's finish it off. So we just did and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're gonna go golpe, palma, hit the knee, right, left. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all together for that compás, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's walk it through from the top. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, right, right. Step out together. Da-ga, 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 da. Right, left, left, right, right, left. And golpe, clap, thigh, right, left. All right, again, let's do it one more time, and then we'll use solo compás. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, 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 da. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, da, da, bum, ba. Ole. Practice the solo compás. So let's practice here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ole again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 5. One more time at this tempo. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bum, bum, ba. Taka, 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 ta. Pa, 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 bum, ba. All right, so now let's go more at tempo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Taka, 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 ta. Pa, 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 da. Pa, pum, pa. Ole, again. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ole, again. One more time. Next compás. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ole. Let's go a little faster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ole. One last time. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ole. That was fun. Thanks for joining me. If you want to continue your studies with me and learn how to dance Bulerías, so you can go out there and dance a little Patada, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, where I have a complete course for beginning Bulerías, as well as another course to build your own Bulerías. You can find the link below for your free 10-day trial. Thanks for joining me. Bye.